Hey everyone, guys, welcome back. Okay, today I'm going to show you how to use stand stores to actually start selling your digital products online, whether it's ebooks, courses, templates, or digital files. Okay, stand stores can actually make it easy, super simple for you to create a storefront and manage your sales. So let's dive right in. So first things first, guys, you want to sign up. Okay, create a stand store account. First, go to the Stanstore website at stan.store and click on the sign up button. Enter your details and create an account. Then, after signing up, guys, you're going to have options, okay? To either choose a free plan or a paid plan, depending on the features you want, like custom branding or, advanced analytics. You just want to pick the one that best fits your needs. And then, after you register, guys, what you want to do is this, okay? You want to actually set up your digital storefront. So you want to add your details. So in your account settings, okay, in your account settings, you want to add, your personal business details. This includes things like your name, your logo, your bio, so customers get a quick intro to who you are, basically. And then you want to link your payment method. Link a payment option like PayPal or Stripe to receive payments when, customers buy your products. That's also super simple. And what you need to do, guys, now is add your digital product. So in the product section, what you want to do is you want to go to product section and then click on products. And then you want to click on add a new product here. So digital download, and you want to add a new product. So you're going to have to upload your digital file. So you can choose the digital products as the type and then upload your file, whether basically it's an ebook, course template, or any other digital content that you're actually selling. You just have to, set the product details, enter a title, description, and pricing. Just make sure your description clearly explains the product's value, and you want to add actually a product image to make it visually appealing, guys, okay? Then basically, guys, you just need to continue customizing your storefront. Just add colors, adjust layout settings, and organize your products so customers can actually easily browse. Okay, and then you just add any extras. Okay, if you want to upsell or cross promote, what you can do, guys, is add options like discounts, bundles, or limited time offers to actually maximize your deal, guys. Then after that, guys, you just want to promote your store. Okay, share your store link once everything is set up. Copy a stand store link. Start sharing it on social media, your website, your email newsletter. Then, guys, you want to just engage with your audience. Okay, just post about your digital products, offer previews, or run promotions to actually drive traffic and increase the sales, guys. So it's literally that easy and simple. This is how you can basically, start a stand store and start selling digital products. So if you found this video helpful, guys, please like and subscribe for more tips on digital selling and online tools. Happy selling with stand store. And guys, good luck with your business.